Ngikwamukele ngubingelele mbukeli kwi-CNews. If umusha la ekhaya ufuna uhlezi updated ngeindaba ezithintana nama-telenovels akhona la eNingizimu Afrika, bengicela ufike ulike, uphinde usubscribe, uphinde uklike i-notification bell kuyo-ke i-channel yethu-ke i-CNews ukuze-ke uzohlezi updated if sidropha-ke ivideo entsha khona la kwi-CNews. Well, kwivideo sanamhlanje-ke ngifuna sikhulume ngayo laphana-ke uLuyanda Zwane-ke oke waba umlingisi-ke khona laphana-ke kuSibongile and the Dlaminis lapha-ke ayidlala khona-ke ezike uSibongile Mbambo-ke kulo laphana-ke uhlelo iSibongile and the Dlaminis eladlala laphana-ke kuMzansi Magic. Well, uvezile isizathu sokuthi-ke kungani laphana-ke ashiya-ke lolu hlelo lolu yize-ke ayidlala laphana-ke i-lead role. Well, asingathathi-ke isikhathi eside kasigene khona-ke. So lana-ke uposte-ke ku-Instagram page yakhe noma kwi-official Instagram page ehlaza noma eveza ukuthi cha kwakhona into eyenzeka eyamhlukumeza agcine ezimphoqa-ke ukuthi-ke ashiye lolu hlelo iSibongile and the Dlamini. Njengoba ubona-ke lana uyaveza ukuthi I was once asked by a female commissioning editor if I wanted to be an activist or an actor simply because I was fighting for my rights as an actor on a set. She further threatened that I'll never work again and I'll be cancelled in the industry if I continue to fight or advocate for myself. And she speaks about women empowerment every day on social media. It really be your own. Every day has its day. Well, uyasho lana ukuthi-ke kwaba khona-ke elinye lamalanga la elela khona amalungelo akhe. Yasimbuza laphana nge-edit ukuthi wena engabe-ke ufuna-ke ukuba isishoshovu-ke ishoshovu noma ufuna ukuba i-actor-ke wabesesho ngesizathu sokuthi wayelelwa amalungelo akho. Yabe semtreatisha futhi lapha i-edit ukuthi wena ngeke uphinde usebenze-ke as an actor kule industry because angazi ukuthi uyaphapha. Hey, angazi bafethu nithini ngelama comments lapha, but ke uma iqhubeka uposte nje kuningi nje ngokupostile khona lapha ku Instagram page yakhe lapha uLuyanda Zwane. Young women go through so much bullying in this industry and they silence us by saying we'll never work again. Well, let me speak for myself. I've been cornered and bullied by older women who are in power and they expect me to shake and shrink myself. Where I come from, you face Goliath. You're on shiver and shake in fear. A person's future is determined by God, not a mere mortal human being. Eqhubeka futhi, she's difficult to work with. She expects professionalism and excellence. Well, I've had people questioning my decision of leaving a show that had 2.5 million views every day, and worse, I was leading on it. We are literally making stories and not saving lives. You can't stay at a place or job at the expense of your mental health. After being threatened that I will never work again, I'm here to say see you on Canal Plus as ukubona ukuthi-ke uzobe lapha ku-season 2 of uhlelo laphana ku-Canal Plus elibizwa kuthiwa iSpinners, yena laphana-ke uLuyanda Zwane. So when they close the door, God comes back and buys the whole building. So uyabona-ke lana ukuthi uvezile ukuthi kuningi abhekana nakho-ke ngenkathi-ke lapha on set kuSibongile and the Dlamini-ke waveza ukuthi cha kuningi akutolerate-ke ukuze abe khona kulelo hlelo lwaveza ukuthi baningi abantu abancane besifazane abahlukumezekayo in le industry entertainment ngenxa yokuthi kukhona abantu abathize abangafuni-ke ukuthi kwenziwe izinto-ke ngendlela abangafisi ngayo. So angazi bafethu ukuthi nithini-ke ngalama comments noma ngale zinto ey'show yena laphana-ke uLuyanda Zwane. Do you think ikuvalid kanjani bafethu? Ngingakhohlwa subscribe bafethu ku-CNews ukuze nizohlezi updated ngeindaba-ke ezithintana-ke nama telenovela.